Antarctica is the planet's last great wilderness, but is coming under increasing pressure as more people visit. This video is about how you can play an important role in limiting the impact of people on Antarctica's fragile shores. The Aliens in Antarctica project has found that many Antarctic visitors inadvertently carry seeds and other propagules, such as moss leaves, on their shoes, gear and outdoor clothing. The most simple way to avoid this is to take new clothing, gear and equipment. If you can't take new items, then take clean items. Wash them first, preferably with hot water and detergent. Then inspect, vacuum and remove any obvious seeds, dirt and organic material and plant debris. With outdoor jackets and trousers, pay particular attention to seams, pockets and Velcro. For gloves, vacuum both the outside and inside. In knitted fabrics, look for material that has woven into the knit. With boots and shoes, clean both inside and out. Remove and vacuum the insole and inside the boot. Pay particular attention to laces and under the tongue. Seeds often accumulate there. Remove any material on the sole and then wash the sole of the boot. Bags and camera cases also easily collect seeds and soil if they've been used outside. Remove camera gear and loose material and partitioning and then vacuum. Walking sticks should also be cleaned, either vacuumed or washed. If you can, turn day packs inside out to reach the seams. If you're a field scientist, meteorologist or engineer, remember to check boxes that house your equipment. If they've been used outside, they may be harbouring seeds and dirt. Pay particular attention to cleaning if you are an outdoor enthusiast or field worker. Data shows that you are most likely to be carrying seeds. This sample, with over 300 seeds, was found on the gear and clothing of one researcher. So finally, do your bit to protect Antarctica. Remember, take it new or take it clean.